Hi everyone. This video is part 3 of the topic time. In the past 2 videos I talked about, in part 1, traveling into the future, and in part 2, traveling back in time to the past. That leaves the most important part, the present. There is nothing more important than the present moment, the now. Let's get started.
What does it mean to be in the present moment? It's an awareness, consciousness.
Nothing ever happens that's not now.
Living in the present moment is a great way to bring peace to our lives. We can do this by seeing every moment just as it is happening. By not thinking about the future and not thinking about the past. Being in the present moment means that we're not worried about the past and we're not worried about the future. We're concentrating on doing it right now without any attachment to what might happen.
Your entire life unfolds in the present moment. That's all there ever is. That's all there ever is this moment. And most people live as if some future moment, whether it's a minute from now or tomorrow or next year, they live as if some future moment were always more important than this moment.
I'm thinking about grocery shopping, or what plans I should do next, what editing I need to do, what is going to be my next video, how am I going to post it, export it. But it would be much better to be in the present moment, especially here. Listen to the waves. It's beautiful. I miss all that when I'm thinking about other things. So living in the now, the present moment, is the best way. It takes practice. And then you can focus on other things. Feel the blood run through your veins. Pay attention to certain parts of your body. Be conscious and aware. It's healthy. It feels good. Be focused on what you're doing. Enjoy it. Even if it's washing dishes, pay attention to the dishes. They'll enjoy it too.
Have you noticed that there's a voice in your head that almost never stops talking and commenting and analyzing and interpreting and judging and liking and disliking, and all the time it talks and talks, it's in your head, and if it talks out aloud and there's nobody there, then you're crazy?
Eckhart was right. Everyone talks to themselves in their head. And I think most people have talked to themselves out loud a time or two. I know I have. If I saw someone talk to themselves in public, I wouldn't think they were crazy, but I might think it was funny. In my next video, I'll explore and share some activities you can do at home or at school to practice being in the present moment. See you next time.